Hello, everyone. My name is Avinda Hall,
And I'm Tyler Vance.
and today we're going to begin the discussion on sales call role plays and how to get the most out of them. So, Tyler, why don't you start by telling us why sales call role plays are so important?
Yeah, sure thing, Ben. So, in my role at Funnel Clarity, I'm primarily responsible for ensuring that the skills we teach our clients actually stick and become habituated. And one of the best ways to do that is through sales role plays. I know when I first started out in my first sales job, one of the best ways to get ramped up quickly was doing these role plays with my peers and my boss. I even cold called my family when I first started.
Well, I never cold called my mom, but maybe I should. The tip that we have for you today to get the most out of your sales call role plays is do them consistently. Now, this is a lot easier said than done. So, one of the ways that I make sure that I do them consistently and on a regular basis is that at the beginning of every week, I will look at my calendar to figure out the most important or the most difficult call I have coming up. Then I'll schedule time with either Tyler here or one of my managers in order to practice the most difficult parts of that conversation right before the call. That way, I'm prepared for the conversation, and also it makes sure that I'm honing my skills on a regular basis.
Yeah, and that's a great way to ensure that you're consistently doing these sales role plays on a regular basis.
Mhm.
And we hope that you go on out and try this out this week. Next week, we will also be sharing another tip on how to enhance your sales call role plays.
Yep, connect with us on LinkedIn and let us know if you have any questions.